Hi, hello, Sat Shri Akal. You all are watching Punjab Kesari Navodaya Times. I'm Namita Sachdev with you. And today we have with us one person who is an epitome of dedication and passion. He is a true inspiration for the whole nation. He has made us feel proud not only once but many a times, not only in India but internationally too. Yes, I'm talking about the flying man, one and only India's number one tennis player, Mr. Leander Pace, who is with us right now. Leander, sir, welcome to Punjab Kesari Navodaya Times. How are you?
Sasriyakal, Namita, to all our fans and all our viewers.
Very, very Sasriyakal to you, sir. I would like to ask you first of all, as we talk about sports now, it teaches us so many things at one time, starting from teamwork, dedication, passion, or how to respect and give your best in your field. And we have seen that your best also came out with Mahesh to some extent, or how much extent do you agree to it?
I agree to that a lot, Namita, and that's the reason I'm so excited about the release of Breakpoint on the 1st of October on Z5, because we actually tell the story of two young Indian boys on how we had a dream when he was 15 years old and I was 16 years old. The first time I met Mahesh was in Colombo in Sri Lanka.
Okay.
And I saw him practice on my first day at the Asian Championships. I had just
Mhm.
come from Davis Cup, and I just saw him hitting
Mhm.
backhand after backhand. And I said that
Okay.
backhand's pretty good, but I had an intuition that we could win Wimbledon. I had an
Mhm.
intuition that we could be the best team in the world. So I
Mhm.
walked up to him and I shook his hand and I said, "Hi, I'm Leander." And he goes, "I know exactly who you are. I'm a big fan of yours. I'm Mahesh." And I said, "How do you like to win Wimbledon?" And he burst out laughing. And he said, "You're crazy." I said, "I know I'm crazy, but would you like to win Wimbledon or not?" And then 9 years after that, we ended up winning
Mhm.
Wimbledon.
Oh
And in
wow,
this
that's
whole
great.
docu-series, you get to see how two young Indian boys in an
Mm,
ecosystem of sport that had no infrastructure, as to
mm.
how we not only won Wimbledon, but how we persevered and worked really hard, where we had only each other. And we worked really hard to become the
Absolutely.
best team in the world.
And we have seen that many times, sir.
Yes, we've been very blessed in our careers to not only achieve what we have, but
Mm,
also to have the support of the whole nation. When we played for the country, the whole nation came forward and supported us. When I went out there to play Davis Cup, all our followers from all over the world, all the Indians from everywhere came and supported us. And that's something I'm really grateful for. And this docu-series has been waiting for 20 years because we have had, for the last 20 years, Namita, offers to do a Bollywood movie on us.
okay.
And I kept on refusing because I don't think the story can be captured in 90 minutes. So
Mm,
hence to do it in docu-series format where you could tell many different episodes and tell the nuances of how Indians can become a champion. And also
mm,
to tell Namita the truth behind it on how
mhm,
just because you're a champion doesn't
mm.
make you less vulnerable. Even champions are vulnerable. Even champions under the
Absolutely.
spotlight of whether it's social media, whether it's the media, whether it's the adulation, whether it's always living in a fishbowl environment where everybody's got a point of view and an opinion on who you are and what you're about, that it is
Mm.
very important to keep that jodi together. And I think that
Definitely,
is
yes, sir.
the big story behind the Breakpoint is about
Mm,
how Ashwini Iyer Tiwari and Nitesh Tiwari tell the human emotions of what
mm.
champions go through. I'm really grateful to both these two phenomenal geniuses of storytelling, as well as their crew at Earth Sky. Piyush and their whole crew at Earth Sky have done a wonderful job in weaving the story of human emotions through
Definitely.
Breakpoint.
Mm. Acha, I was talking to Mahesh and he told me that you got convinced sabse pehle, matlab you got convinced first with the idea of Ashwini and Nitesh's Breakpoint. So what was that one thing that clicked you for Breakpoint?
Nitesh is an encyclopedia of tennis and sport. He loves
Oh,
football,
wow.
he loves cricket, and he loves tennis. And more so, he was telling me statistics about myself.
Mm-hmm.
So I realized that Nitesh Bhai was so passionate about sport and so
Mm-hmm.
passionate about the Leander Mahesh story that I felt when I watched Dangal or when I watched Chichore or when I watched his movies that he has done before, his work in the past,
Mm.
I felt that this couple of Ashwini Iyer
Mm.
Tiwari and Nitesh Tiwari were the perfect people to tell the truth behind the Leander Mahesh story. And I'm really grateful to the creative team at ZEE5. I'm really grateful to the content team at ZEE5, Nimisha and Puneet and the whole ZEE5 brainstorming sessions, because they actually believed in Leander Mahesh and they allowed us to tell the story truthfully, Namita. They did not just want the sugar-coated candy floss kind of story. They wanted the truth. And that's what I really am grateful to ZEE5 and to Earth Sky for allowing us to tell the truth the way it is, to tell the hard stories, to tell how you could win Wimbledon on a Sunday, and on Monday, maybe you're not in the best of friends. You're maybe not speaking, maybe you're not communicating. And I think that was very brave of Mahesh and myself to actually be courageous enough to tell the truth.
Definitely.
Because in this modern world of also social media, everyone's only showing the best versions of themselves. Everyone's only showing themselves in positive light. But I think that when you tell a human story, it encompasses everything. So,
and I think that's why you're coming with a docudrama and not a fictional one.
That's exactly right. We don't have any actors. We don't have anybody playing Mahesh or myself or our coaches. But it took a lot of courage, Namita, to tell this story truthfully. And
I totally agree.
That's something that it was very carefully done, very, very nicely done. And I think that the fans are going to love it. They're going to love the nuances of the journey, the highs and the lows, and how every episode keeps you hanging. And it's pretty cool.
We would love to see it, sir. But I would like to ask you, like, what you think has changed in your bond now that you both have agreed to come open about this?
You know, I think that through the makings of Breakpoint, it also gave us a chance to heal. While we were shooting up in Rishikesh, I didn't understand why Ashwini was taking us to Rishikesh. I mean, मैं कह रहा था कि वहाँ पे एक टेनिस मैच भी नहीं खेला वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ पे क्यों जा रहे हैं? So basically, she said, no, it's a secret message that I have. Let's go up there. And then when we were walking along the banks of the Ganges River, or when she had us, with our feet in the river and shooting and reminiscing about the past, it dawned on me what she was doing. And during this whole last 18 months of making Breakpoint, Mahesh and I have been able to bring up conversations that were left unsaid.
Wow.
We were able to bring up conversations that were left open. And also with a bit more maturity and a bit more wisdom, we're able to laugh at ourselves. The one thing that we've always had is we both have a fairly wicked sense of humor, and that's where we connect. And I think that Breakpoint gave us a chance to heal, Namita, and it brought us to a point where life has come full circle.
But sir, I would love to know that do you have any regrets that you both were not able to sort out issues then, and you both have to face like due to that you have faced consequences also?
We both take responsibility of what happened, and when you watch the docuseries, you'll get to see the nuances of the perspectives that we had. What was Mahesh's father thinking during the Doha Asian Games? What was my father thinking when Mahesh broke up with me? What was our coaches thinking? What was our siblings thinking? Like, I have 2 elder sisters, and what was their thoughts in this time? No one would have known. But as everybody's playing their true role here, even our opponents and our families and our teammates, like Martina Hingis comes on and speaks about a partnership with both of us. So I think that the nuances of the way Breakpoint was made is very interesting, because it is the truth.
But जिस तरह से आपने बताया कि फैमिली भी कहीं ना कहीं नहीं जानती थी कि आपके बीच में क्या चल रहा है, लेकिन still they were affected. Do you think due to this fallout between you and Mahesh, both of your performances also had an impact in the game as well?
Zarur. If you look, when we broke up the first time in 2000, दोनों का performances नीचे हो गए थे. अलग-अलग खिलाड़ी के साथ खेल रहे थे. महेश मैक्स मिन्नी के साथ खेल रहे थे. मैं शायद याद नहीं है, मगर शायद डेविड रिकिल या मार्टिन डैम के साथ खेल रहे थे, या आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड डिफरेंट पार्टनर्स. मगर जब भी ब्रेकआउट होता है तो काफी मुश्किल रहता है ना सबके लिए. और ये नहीं कि हर कोई को अडेप्ट करना पड़ता है. मे बी वन इज डूइंग बेटर एंड द अदर वन इज नॉट डूइंग बेटर आल्सो. तो काफी मुश्किल रहते हैं ये. When you actually look at Breakpoint, you'll get to see the nuances of why and how these two Indian boys became champions. But also you get to see the different perspectives of the families, of the coaches, of the opponents, of the partners. कि
Great.
उसका सोच क्या था? जब लिएंडर एक डिसीजन बनाया, उसका सोच क्या था? जब महेश ने एक डिसीजन बनाया, इसका सोच क्या था? तो ये कहानी जो है असली कहानी है, और हर कोई का सोच is so beautifully woven into the storyboard कि काफी मजा आएंगे.
डेफिनेटली मजा तो आने ही वाला है. बट सर मुझे याद है, लाइक आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, मतलब you said no while answering to a question of getting together all over again. मतलब I want to ask, is it that difficult to leave everything behind?
You're gonna have to watch it. You'll get to see why I said no.
I think you told me about the commonality between you and Mahesh, your sense of humor and other things.
Ji.
But what is that one thing that you don't like about Mahesh, and if you been given a chance, you would like to instantly change about him?
अरे वो तो बात ही नहीं करते, communicate ही नहीं करते. It's very hard to get anything out of him. You have to study his body language, you have to study his eyes, you have to study other things. Yeah. But now he communicates much better. But at that time, he was very introverted. बात ही नहीं करते थे. So it was very hard to understand कि उसका दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. पर तब जब दूसरे कोचेस, उसका कोचेस आते थे, वो कुछ कहते थे, उसका ट्रेनर कुछ कहते थे, उसका ये कुछ कहते, उसका वो कुछ कहते, यार सच क्या है? Who's saying what? तो वो काफी मुश्किल रहा हमारे लिए तब. आजकल तो काफी आसान होते हैं क्योंकि we speak on the phone, we live next to each other, तो now it's much easier.
And आज के वक्त में, when there is a like power of social media all over in the world, in the universe, मैं कहूँगी, तो उस लिहाज से अगर बात करें, तो what all are the ingredients do you think कि इस डॉक्यू ड्रामा सीरीज को इंटरेस्टिंग भी बना सकें, और लोगों का एक इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन आता है ना सर, जैसे ट्रेलर पे आ जाता है या फिल्म को देखने के बाद आएगा, तो उसका कहीं ना कहीं थॉट था दिमाग में?
नमिता, मैं इस डॉक्यू ड्रामा और डॉक्यू सीरीज बनाया कि I wanted to inspire a full generation of young Indian youth. That if two young Indian boys who played gully cricket and gully football together, if they can become Wimbledon champions, so can you. If they become number one in the world in the field of tennis, which is so competitive, then our Indian children can be the best in the world at anything they want to do. कल ही मेहनत करना पड़ता है, सेल्फ बिलीफ होना चाहिए और पैशन होना चाहिए. ये 3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स को लेके हर कोई चैंपियन बन सकता है.
And how do you see like India's tennis scenario at the moment?
काफी मुश्किल है अभी. We don't have anybody who's in, the top 100 in the world, or in singles, or in doubles. We've got quite a lot of players. So I think that tennis has grown over the last 3 decades a lot. It's become a sport of the masses. जब मैं शुरुआत किया टेनिस पे in 1980s, 86 में, tennis was an elite sport. Tennis was a sport only for kids or parents who had families who had memberships in clubs. काफी expensive sport थे. मगर आजकल हर कोई टेनिस खेलता है. After cricket, tennis is the second most popular sport in our country. And over the last 3 decades, we've got there. But I still feel that not just in tennis, not just in cricket or hockey or football or javelin or shooting, I feel that sports education and sports knowledge is really needed in our country to produce champions. काफी बच्चे खेलते हैं स्पोर्ट आजकल, मगर जब स्कूल पे जाते हैं और ये पीटी क्लासेस जो होते हैं ना, फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग क्लासेस होते हैं, यार ये लोग 1 2 3 4 करते हैं और
उसके अलावा नहीं कराते.
ओलंपिक चैंपियंस कैसा बन सकते हैं?
Absolutely.
So I think that has to be reformed, that has to be reinvented, that has to be modernized. और उसमें काफी मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल सही सर. वैसे आपने मोमेंट्स की कुछ बात की कि यू हैव चेरिश्ड द मोमेंट्स व्हाइल शूटिंग. मैं वही जानना चाहूंगी, हाउ मच nostalgia did that bring to both of you while like talking about your past, or like shooting while shooting the sequences, or like recalling them?
It actually gave Mahesh and myself a lot of chance to heal, and the nostalgia. And I'll tell you one little anecdote. Episode 4, we were showing Wimbledon, and at that time we weren't speaking very much. We weren't talking much at all, and I had to read Mahesh through his body language and through his eyes and through his, his physical movements, because he just wouldn't speak. And in that, there's one moment when we win Wimbledon, and I look over at him, and he's covered his head with his towel in his hands, and we're sitting on the side of the umpire's chair. We're sitting on a bench, and I look at him, and he's not looking at me because his head is covered. And then I look away to the box and to the coaches, to congratulate them, and he looks at me, and I didn't see that. I feel that if I had seen that look then, I would have understood how much this relationship and this partnership meant to him. क्योंकि वो verbalize नहीं कर रहे थे, वो बात नहीं कर रहे थे. So how do I know what you're feeling or what you're thinking or what's going on in your head? All I know is we're not talking. Even when we're winning Wimbledon, we're not talking. It made no sense. And maybe I should have picked up the phone and called him and said, यार चल breakfast के लिए चले. चल कल Wimbledon जीता मगर आज सुबह चल breakfast खाते हैं हम दोनों. चल शोले देखते हैं और एक बार. चल आइसक्रीम जाके खाते हैं और तब if I had asked him, how are you really doing? Okay, we're number 1 in the world. Okay, we're Wimbledon champions, but how are you doing? And let me tell you how I'm doing. Maybe it could have been avoided. But I think that these are the responsibilities that we both take, and that's what makes it wonderful. So when Vijay Subramaniam and Ashu Nayak from Collective Artists first came to us 20 months ago, and they said, guys, this is a great story. We want to tell it, but how do you want to tell it? I respect Vijay and Ashu so much because from that first conversation till today, they have stood with us and done all the business behind the scenes. And they're like pillars. So to everybody who's been a part of Breakpoint, who have given 20 months of their life through a global pandemic to make Breakpoint happen, I'd like to say a big shukriya and thank you. Because I think that Breakpoint is a story of how 2 young Indian boys can become number 1 in the world and can become Wimbledon champions. But it also tells you the truth of how champions can be vulnerable too. गलती तो हर कोई करते हैं, पर हम दोनों courageous हैं जो हम हमारा गलती भी दिखा सकते हैं.
क्या बात. And we're really looking forward to see this because मुझे I really know कि बहुत heart touching होने वाला है सबके लिए, बहुत inspirational story होने वाली है. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं as friends अगर बात करते हैं, हम लोग सोचते नहीं है friends से बात करने में. मैं वही जानना चाह रही थी कि was that so difficult to talk about that? मतलब बात करना इतना मुश्किल कैसे हो सकता है?
है तो सही ना. सच बताने में हर कोई जानता हो कि कितना आसान या कितना मुश्किल है सच बताने में. मगर करेज तो होना ही चाहिए. और वो भी पब्लिक डोमेन में जब सच बताते हैं ना, तो सोच भी होता है कि am I doing the right thing or the wrong thing? And I think it's the right thing, because if you're going to be true to who Leander is, then it's about the truth. It's about passion. It's about patriotism. And it's about inspiring people to be their own champions. तो इसलिए सच बहुत important है.
बिल्कुल, हर लिहाज से सच बहुत जरूरी होता है. वैसे if this would have been a fictional series, let's say for example, अभी तो ये डॉक्यू ड्रामा है, और अगर आपसे कहा जाता अपना पार्ट प्ले करने के लिए, then what would have been your answer?
जरूर आ जाओ.
वाओ. अच्छी बात है, मुझे इसमें नो जवाब नहीं मिला. अच्छा, मैं चलते चलते ये जरूर पूछना चाहूंगी, जैसे आपने कहा ना, मैं कॉल करके बोलता महेश को कि चल शोले देखने चलते हैं या नाश्ता साथ में करते हैं. आप दोनों एक बिल्कुल डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज हो, 2 अलग अलग इंसान हो, अलग अलग नेचर है आप दोनों का, अलग अलग बॉडी लैंग्वेज का. आप दोनों की फेवरेट फिल्म एक ही है?
हम दोनों का फेवरेट अमित जी है. दोनों
अच्छा,
एक्टर फेवरेट है अमित जी.
हाँ,
और शोले भी काफी दोनों का फेवरेट भी है.
वेरी नाइस.
तो वी लाइक somewhat the similar things. We like listening to Kishore Kumar, we like watching Amit ji, but we are very different as people. Very different. Different values, different systems, different lifestyles.
But taste and preferences match karte hain. That's the commonality.
I think that is what friendship is about. It's not about changing the other person. असली friendship वही होते हैं कि अपना differences को भी celebrate करें. ये नहीं कि you want to change him to become me or me to become him. And I think that that is the message also through Breakpoint, is that there were many breakpoints. There was a lot of success. But this jodi has stood the test of time. 20 years of playing, 30 years of knowing each other. We're still here, still inspiring people.
And if you
Still
have to
laughing at
dedicate one
ourselves.
song, huh?
Still laughing at ourselves.
Absolutely. Let's say if one song you would have to dedicate to Mahesh on your Dosti, then what would it be?
I mean, that would
Which
definitely
song?
be out of Sholay, right? Ye Dosti. I
ये
mean,
दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. क्या
just
बात
got to
है,
get
मुझे
the
वही लगा.
Enfield bike and we're good to go.
एब्सोल्युटली सर. और हम यही दुआ करते हैं ये दोस्ती जिंदगी भर यूं ही चलती रहे, प्यारी सी, हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहे आप दोनों. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस एंड वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वॉच ब्रेक पॉइंट ऑन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
Thanks, Namita. You're wonderful.